You remember Madeline? Okay.
I'll go on the top.
Sunil!
Papa Sunil!
Oh, DJ handle mo ko nak ingatom.
Yan.
No amuyo lang agusarte harness. Pak nga to pak.
2018. Since I started to go work in abroad, many place to go, so we decided to travel. Where we live, Hong Kong. We don't wait memories to come, we make them. We bought our gear for coastering, hiking and trekking. We are happy for it, and also we plan where will we go for to avoid any sudden events while in the mountains or on the beach. All gears are ready to go. But wherever we end up, only one thing matters, everyone is safe and happy. So this is Hikers. Be one of us. This is Ozzy, Gretchen, Tazzy, Yusang aka Rosana, Barong aka Betty, and Del. This is Kimchi, Faith, Yvonne the Jumbo, Kits, the Hikers, and Bing. Thank you from Jumbo's team, God bless. All goods in the hood. Like and subscribe to Rogi in Hong Kong.
This is the starting point going to the cliff. Just follow our video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So dito kami mag-blow ng candle.
Kunyamshan South. Cliff is an unofficial and challenging hiking and climbing spot on Lantau Island. Note, there is no marked path. Navigate off trail towards the cliff. The Kunyamshan South Cliff, a known hiking and rock scrambling location in Hong Kong. Location and activity, Kunyamshan South. Cliff is a popular spot for hikers and climbers. It is known for its technical routes and rocky passages. Difficulty, the routes in the area range from intermediate to advanced difficulty. Access usually involves public transport, such as MTR and minibuses, followed by a hike to the cliff area. Kunyamshan South Cliff. Take bus Tayo number 11, get off Shamwat. Walk back and go Lantau Trail SEC. 5, up around 15M, then go on left side. No official path JST follow ribbon. SM way buswhacking going up. Fine. You wait until summit exit you choice after summit Tayo or Shamwat again.
Huwag kang pa-baby dyan, boy. Ano mo muna kasi yung lobby doon?
Wow, may paungol.
Hindi nga, short lang yung boss. Ang ginagawa ni ano po doon mo. Ikaw, boy.
Huwag yun ang patawanin ng makakit si Kulot. Naroon kasi yung kali. Ah!
Mamaya, na. Ang writing na lang ako. Ano man yung
Kaya, oo, sa taas, sa gitna.
Sige, mag-focus na lang dyan kasi dahil. Mag-focus kami dito. Focus lang dyan po. Bakit po? Okay.
Yan, dyan ako natakot. Dito na lang, Buyo. Dyan ako natakot. Kasi ano ka talaga.
Swing.
Mag-swing ka. Kahit pag sabi mo relay.
Kaya mas okay na may harness. Yung harness nakakabit ba sa ano natin?
Parang mas maganda
Sa lubid.
dito, oh. Mahirap nga dito, boy. Banda sa baba.
Yung may kawang.
Kaya nga.
Bumababa ba yan? Hindi. Hindi yan bababa? Tataas mo siya.
Easy lang siya tingnan.
Oo, pero pag andun ka.
Para nandun ka.
Parang nandun ka. Mabuntis siya eh.
Mabuntis dyan, oo, mabuntis. Tapos walang hawakan yung isang...
Can hold down. Can hold. Hold it, hold it. Yan. Hawakan mo lang. Yan.
Yan, nakawakan ko.
Okay.
Dyan, oh, dyan, oh, dyan. Walang mahawakan.
Magsiswing ka, Gray, pag iano mo yan dito. Kaya mo nakakla.
Huwag ka nang dyan dumaan, boy. Yan ang dyan nga ang mahirap eh. Walang pagpasin mo yan. Hawakan. Hirap ka na.
Pagkali mo, Gray.
Saan mo ito? Saan mo yung ano? Andun si Sunil. Si Sunil andito.
Wag, wag dyan. Ay, nagkagalang sa kapatid.
Oo.
Ito, oh. Nakapasok na. Dyan, ang mahirap.
parang ang dali-dali.
Wala, parang ilang-ilang yan eh.
Hoy, doon ka dumaan sa tinahanan ni Master. Hindi dyan, dyan sa kabila.
Dito ano? Oo, diretsuhin. Kasi may parang
Okay.
Kaya ayoko na nga tumingin sa taas.
Ako?
Ikaw na, Bats. Kaya mo na yan.
Kaya mo yan.
Kakayanin.
Kung kaya yan, ikaw pa. Taas mo ang bandera. Taas mo ang bandera ng guru.
Don't worry, you are not going to swing.
Yan. Yung red. Okay, good.
Oh, video!
Video!
Ayan na.
Eto na, oh, nasa gitna na.
I think better if going down.
Yeah, it's good.
Going down, right?
We try going down.
No way. Very easy. Go. Go. Okay. I'll do.
Don't! Dinabi mo, don't mo.